Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download your data on TikTok. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! TikTok has grown leaps and bounds since the app launched worldwide, but the platform has been accused of severe privacy and crisis in the last few years. If the report about TikTok's data handling practice concern, you can request to download a copy of all the data it has collected. And how to do it, it's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just open your profile. You can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can see there is an option like account and privacy. You can just tap on account. And there is an option download your data. You can get a copy of your data from all the TikTok apps you use. You can tap on that. You can download data, but before you download, you can request the data. You can select data to download. You can tap on it. You can custom. You can download all available information associated with your account. This file will include more data than if you select from the custom option, but you can also choose if you want to choose which information you want to include in your file. You can choose. Maybe I will try to custom. I will choose my profile and post only. Now you can tap on done. You can select the file format, TXT or JSON. I will choose TXT, so easy to read text file. Tap on OK. Now you can request data. Your data is being requested. When your file is ready for download, it will be available for 4 days. If you submit another request, your existing file will expire. Now you can just wait until the request accept from TikTok and you can download it. It's so simple, right? So that is how to download TikTok data on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!